Welcome back to eMotors. Here it is. The all-new 2026 Toyota Camry, standing bold and confident under the spotlight. Look at that wide front grille, sharp LED headlights and sculpted hood lines. The chrome rustic white paint gleams with every curve, making this sedan look more premium than ever. From the side, the 2026 Camry looks sleek and aggressive. The coupe-like roofline, flush door handles, and muscular side profile give it a sporty yet executive stance. Those alloy wheels perfectly complement the chrome rustic white finish. The rear angle shows off the connected LED taillights and bold bumper design. The subtle trunk spoiler and twin exhausts add a hint of performance, while the polished floor reflects its wide, planted stance beautifully. From above, the Camry's proportions are perfectly balanced. The panoramic sunroof, sharp character lines, and overall symmetry are highlighted under the showroom lights. A true design masterpiece in every angle. Step inside and the Camry welcomes you with a high-tech cockpit. The fully digital cluster glows brightly, the steering feels premium, and the massive infotainment screen dominates the center console for a futuristic driving experience. The center console is all about sophistication. Glossy surfaces, precision buttons, and that big touchscreen make every control feel intuitive and premium. Even the gear selector feels sculpted for perfection. In the back, comfort takes center stage. The leather seats are soft yet supportive, legroom is generous, and the panoramic roof floods the cabin with natural light, perfect for long drives with family or friends. Every detail here screams precision, from the stitched leather steering wheel to the crisp digital gauges. The cluster delivers crystal-clear driving data, making you feel fully in command. Pop the hood and you're greeted with Toyota's next-gen hybrid powertrain. Everything is neatly arranged with the polished engine cover and components reflecting the showroom lights. Check out those alloy wheels up close. The ventilated disc brakes and precise tread pattern mean this Camry isn't just stylish. It's ready to grip the road with confidence. Switch them on, and the LED DRLs and projector beams come alive, casting a brilliant white glow across the polished showroom floor.